I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on spirit. I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on spirit. I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on spirit. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I can't feel bad when my mind's stayed on spirit. I can't feel bad when my mind's stayed on spirit. I can't feel bad when my mind's stayed on spirit. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yes, God, I hope you get it. You can't feel bad when your mind's on spirit. Listen to me. You got to get your mind right, that righteous mind. You use it, you work with it, and your life will never be the same ever again. Look, this is Reverend Quentin Stroud, founder and spiritual director of the EnLightenment Assembly. I love you, and there ain't nothing you can do about it. Peace and blessings.